I'm Scott Thacker, and behind me is Round Valley on the Splitrock Ranch. Round Valley is a great attribute to the Splitrock Ranch. It's actually a bowl, a physical bowl of mountains, and this is the entrance and the exit to it. You've got a trail road in with waters, wells, it's well watered. You have browse, mesquite beans and things of that sort. Grama grasses and seasonal grasses will grow here. It's kind of a middle ground to low ground for the country. Behind me you'll see a great set of working pens, nearly new in ranch terms, and some slick cattle. It's a good place to raise cattle. Thank you.